Here we create our base color, roughness and specular maps. As usual, we start with a new image texture. Connect it to base color and go to texture paint. Now again, let's choose stencil for mapping. Instead of using a standard texture, let's find a texture for the stone material. It is actually more convenient to paint the UV maps area first, because this way it is easier to fill in the crevices. Then you can cover the seams. Here I'm painting scratched areas around the cracks. They usually look brighter. We'll use the base color map as a basis for the roughness and specular maps. Remember to save your texture as you finish. We'll use the color ramp to highlight specular areas. We actually need a second color ramp for the roughness map. I also need to invert the black and white for the roughness map, because the white areas have the highest value for a roughness or specular map. Connect the color ramps accordingly. And now let's make some adjustments. Alright, see you in the next video.